Okay, now a controllable SVR. What in the heck, dude? Bruh, are you serious right now? Come on. Okay, what the heck, bruh? Bro, we got a controllable SVR now.
Northeastern Burlington County, southeastern Monmouth County, until 7:45
Oh my god, what the heck is happening, dude? This is insane. Bruh. What the heck is happening?
Moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Wait, it's on WXM60.
70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage.
The storms are coming for us. Come on, WXM60. I think here. Here it is. I think so. Wait, what the heck?
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine